embarking on a captivating exploration of a truly exceptional living experience at the crossroads of luxury and sophistication. Nestled along the Straits of Johor, minutes away from the Woodlands checkpoint, a gleaming testament of architectural ingenuity awaits. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seats. Today's episode on Design Seat, we will be revealing a 3,250 square feet, 4+1 bedroom high-rise haven that elevates living to an art form, where panoramic vistas frame the bustling energy of two nations and the tranquil embrace of the water's edge. Prepare to be immersed in a symphony of lavish design and contemporary comfort. The owners, Andy and Tiffany, are residents of the United States of America and chose Malaysia as their second home.
I'm Tiffany.
I'm Andy.
When we decided to buy the property, our kids were 3 and 7, and now they are 10 and 14.
Back in 2015, we had the opportunity to relocate my work to Singapore, and we fell in love with Malaysia during that time period. And we're fortunate enough to find a nice neighborhood in Johor Bahru, where a new building, Straits View 18, was in construction. And we were blessed, obviously, to meet Hal, and then the design adventure started.
This episode that unveils the heart and soul of the extraordinary address is designed by S-Lab 10, the design practice founded in Sydney, Australia, with operations currently based in Malaysia.
Hi, my name is Hal. I'm from Slat 10. Clients are from America, and they purchased this unit for their future retire plans. They didn't have any specific style wish to design his house for. So we started with research on lots of art installation. All that research leads us to this design, which is influenced by lots of different artworks.
Looking at the existing floor plans versus the newly designed floor plans, the quality of the space planning makes it seem like it's two different projects.
So the original layout was with the study area at the entry and the wet kitchen to the right. The dry kitchen was already fitted with the carpentry from the developer. We decided to open up the wet kitchen and the study area to allow us to almost double up the living space. After knowing the client's lifestyle, we decided to forego the idea of wet kitchen, as the client prepared their own meals and they enjoy cooking together with the whole family. So the question comes to how to keep the kitchen invisible when it's not in use. The kitchen was designed to be a minimalist, so with a lot of hidden compartment. So lots of hidden storage and hidden doors and concealed fridges. The unit comes with its own private lobby. We wanted the guests to come in and feel calm in this lobby. Therefore, we have painted darker color lobby. The idea behind the shoes cabinet, we did it in a curved way connected with the mirror. So it has an infinity effect and therefore enlarge the whole lobby area. So that color kind of continue when you come into the unit.
The carved organic form of the kitchen island, plotted in the center backdrop against the granite grey colored kitchen cabinets, brings out a great contrast of the sculptured masterpiece.
We wanted an island with a very unique design. The shape was inspired by a shape of arc boat. We like how the corner is full sphere round up, so it gives the island a body and the weight to it. So the shape was designed at first. Then we looked into a different material that could give us a seamless finish. So we tried different options. It was challenging to use marble for this application. With the help of our contractor, Kim Wei, we made a prototype sample in the factory to test out if the result was desirable. And I think we're both pretty happy with the final result.
Another factor worth mentioning would be the clever play of lighting. Under the sculptured island, the base sits on an LED littered light box that gives a floating effect to the solid block of curved marble. And at the kitchen splashback that is neatly hidden behind the bifold door has a nice glow that enhances the natural grains of the natural stone when the lights are switched on. With the veneer finish framework that highlights the length of the space and dark marble flooring which complements the overall color scheme, the impression upon entering and exiting the home feels so sophisticated and opulent.
So we're demolishing the wet kitchen and study area. So there we had the option of changing the floor, which we took the chance and using a darker marble to feature in this space. So we want people to come in to a more of a settled dark area, and when they go further, it opens up to a brighter and wider living space with view on both sides.
Everything was cramped into a general space as you enter the property, and what you have now is an open floor plan that literally favors the panoramic view of the surrounding and an impactful transformation of a class above interior design.
So I think the central area is my favorite part of the house because we can all sit together and enjoy the beautiful furnishings and the view.
On a nice day, because of the layout of the unit, you can open the doors facing in both directions, and that can bring in calming breeze during the daytime, which is just very, very relaxing.
Apart from the dry kitchen island, I think the most challenging part will be the feature wall in the living and dining area. We have tested different veneers and colors to achieve the finish that we wanted. There are actually 3 different shades and also 3 different cuts of veneer.
You know, the master bedroom is surrounded by glass. And so it'd be very easy to walk into a room like that and feel like it was uninviting or industrial. But Hao did an excellent job of taking that into consideration and balancing it with a lot of soft furnishings and rounded edges and inviting colors to kind of balance the angularism and the hard surfaces that are surrounding the room.
This bedhead was inspired by how we can create a three-dimensional form with a piece of paper. Maybe a simple take on origami art. So we use a piece of steel sheet and laser cut it out, then fold it manually with a different angle to create this three-dimensional effect of the bedhead. With the guest bedroom bedhead, we were experimenting with different shapes and materials. So instead we have more of an artwork hanging above the bed.
The experience in the entertainment space is elevated with the Viewsonic X11-4KP. Experience crystal clear visuals, cinematic colors, and exceptional sound quality through integrated speakers customized by Hammer Garden. Connect your smart devices with their wireless screen mirroring anytime and enjoy the ultimate experience of the Viewsonic X11-4KP.
We have to do this project during MCO. Therefore, all furniture was selected throughout the whole process of 2 years, and we can make sure all the selections are meaningful and special. When we enter the unit, we'll see the back of the sofa. We have selected a L-shaped low back sofa so it doesn't distract the openness of the living area.
The most surprising design element, I think, for me, is the light fixture over the dining table, because it gives you a sense of motion in a room where everything else is fixed. And again, I think it integrates some of the surrounding beauty. You think of wind and maybe trees moving when you look at it. So it does a nice job of bringing in nature. Our first impression was this house is nicer than any luxury hotel we could dream of. It's just so beautiful and so calming and so well integrated with the surroundings. So you walk in and you feel just at peace and able to take in the surrounding beauty.
It's like a 7-star hotel. To us, what Hal did is the level of a 7-star hotel in our imagination. Malaysia has done a lot of things right in terms of quality of life, the feeling of safety, the feeling of security, and you fall in love with the people, the cuisine, and just the ambience of the country itself. We think we're very privileged to be able to build a future in Malaysia.
This is indeed an artsy luxury high-rise design concept intertwining vibrant hues, avant-garde sculptures, and Atlantic patterns to create a captivating living canvas that celebrates individuality and inspires boundless creativity. Hal did a fantastic job in reinterpreting the design language of art into interior spaces, which emphasizes so much on something the interior design world has neglected in recent times, which is craftsmanship. Artisans and carpenters are clearly neglected in Malaysia. They deserve so much more respect and recognition for their dedication and hard work. Without passion and efforts from people like them, the design scene would not be possible today. Design Seed is in support of bringing up the awareness of the artisan scene in Malaysia. If you would like to contribute to this movement too, Please click on that join button and contribute with a minimum of $2.50 and join us in support of this movement. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. We hope you enjoyed today's episode and please subscribe to us to stay in the loop of more fascinating design contents. Stay tuned, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.